Let's make memories with Cricut this Christmas. And today's video is sponsored by Cricut. Let's make memories this Christmas with Cricut. It is so easy to make inexpensive gifts with your Cricut machine, and I am miles away from my family, so I want to show you how I make my Christmas memorable using my Cricut Joy Extra. Let's get into it. Making memories even when you're far from home is so easy, and it doesn't have to be expensive. I brought tons of "this made me think about you" gifts that mean a lot to me, and I'm going to use my Cricut to actually make them super special for the people in my life. You can see none of these gifts are over $10, and it really shows that you can make amazing projects with Cricut, and also sentimental ones that your family and friends will love. So that was me shopping, guys, and I literally spent $27 for everything that you're gonna see in this basket. And with Cricut, I was able to make it so special. This basket does not seem like I spent less than $30 for it, but with the items from Dollar Tree and Five Below and adding the accents with Cricut, it really looks like a high-end basket. And it also shows the love that I put in for those special items for my special girl, which is my goddaughter, Madison. I wanted to show how gift giving doesn't have to be expensive and it can be super sentimental. So I found my favorite Christmas shapes in Design Space, and I put some phrases on them that meant a lot to me. I'm going to be making presents, but also make them decor so that they can be displayed throughout my loved one's home until it's the big day for them to be opened. I think using cardstock to turn gifts into decor is such a great and easy way to make fun and inexpensive gifts with Cricut this Christmas. Not only is it inexpensive and fun, but it really shows the people that you love that you cared enough to put the time and the effort to make them a such unique gift that they can display up until the day and then actually open the gifts on Christmas, giving them a 2-in-1 special. Making this gingerbread decor was so easy. I literally just typed in gingerbread under the images and Design Space, and look at all the fun options they had. I also just like to make sure that it's a cut file. It just helps me pick out the image that I love the best. And Cricut has so many Christmas images that it's so simple and easy to make something really fun for the holidays. I ended up going with this pink guy because it just went with the pink theme, and I added a little offset to him so I could cut him out in 2 different colors and give it a multicolor gingerbread vibe that would be perfect for home decor on top of a present. And with the help of my Cricut glue gun, I was able to go ahead and make my candy gingerbread candy decor. I'm gonna market that name, candy gingerbread. You get what I mean. I picked up this non-traditional colored mirror for her holiday decor because she loves pink, and I thought this would be perfect to make a days until Christmas sign. There were so many options and pre-made options in Design Space that I was able to just pick the one that I liked. You send it over to my Cricut Joy Extra and add on the mirror with removable vinyl. And I use removable vinyl because if she wants to use the decor after Christmas for a different use, I thought that'd be a perfect way to not only have it as a Christmas gift, but to have it as a gift that she can use throughout the year and always think of me. And I just want to show you guys how easy you can make something sentimental, and you can make such an inexpensive gift for someone that they will truly enjoy. A countdown gift is something that you will reference all month. So every day until Christmas, even if you start before Christmas, it's going to give that person a gift that they can use every single day. And every single day you can cross your fingers and hope that they think about you as well. I put a candy cane on some jewelry to make candy jewelry. I also used these inexpensive bobby pins from the dollar store and added them on the tree and put the phrase to use when you need to feel beautiful. And to me, that's just so special. I also even turned a gift set into a gift that can be displayed as decor until the big day. When making gift decor, you also have to have somewhere to store it. So I grabbed this inexpensive basket, and it was just so easy to put my Cricut items in the basket and display them properly so that it can be shipped over to my loved one's home, maintain its beautifulness, and also be ready to use as home decor and as gifts when it's the big day. And because unfortunately I cannot hold water, I had to show her gift basket on FaceTime, and she loves it without even knowing what's in it. So I can't wait to ship it off to her so she can enjoy a Cricut Christmas.